Now at 11, officers fired.
Their police work is going to be called into question, and every single case that they had any involvement should be called into question.
New fallout as 35 cases dropped, all with ties to officers tarnished in a racism scandal at the Fort Lauderdale Police Department. And the racist video led to the firing of 3 Fort Lauderdale police officers and the resignation of another one who made the video.
We are told each of the defendants in the cases is black. CBS 4's Carrie Codd joins us live from outside the Broward County Courthouse now. Carrie.
Erica Rick, a spokesperson with the Broward State Attorney's Office, confirmed to me today that more than 3 dozen criminal cases have been dropped so far. That's felonies and misdemeanors. The State Attorney's Office says the review of cases involving these 4 officers continues. When this racist video became public, warning bells surely sounded in the offices of the Broward State Attorney and public defender's offices. The question is, did the officers involved make arrests based on their perceived biases? Officer Alex Alvarez, who made the video, quit the department, and officers James Wells, Jason Holding, and Christopher Souza, who exchanged racist text messages talking about killing black people, were fired. Attorneys have been reviewing the officers' arrests, and on Thursday, prosecutors confirmed that they plan to drop 17 misdemeanor cases where the officers were the main officer involved in the case, and they've already dropped 12 felony cases, 8 misdemeanor cases, and 1 juvenile case. We're told that all of the defendants in those cases are black. Public Defender Gordon Weeks says that review should only be the beginning.
These officers' behavior has shown that their credibility is going to be called into question. Their police work is going to be called into question, and every single case that they had any involvement should be called into question.
Weeks says his office is reviewing more than 100 cases involving the officers.
I don't know how the state attorney can go forward on cases involving those officers when those officers are tainted.
Ken Padowitz is a former Broward prosecutor. He says this type of behavior cannot be tolerated in the criminal justice system. He believes prosecutors were quick to react by dropping these cases.
It's the right thing to do. It's the correct thing to do for these individuals that are presumed innocent. And the Broward State Attorney's Office should be given high marks for making this first step.
A state attorney's office spokesperson told us in a statement this is a serious matter. We continue to review each case in which these former policemen were the principal officers involved in the arrest. We are dropping charges against the defendants where it is appropriate. As for the felony charges, felony cases that have been dropped, they involve very serious crimes, including aggravated assault with a firearm, drug possession, grand theft, and unlawful possession of someone's personal identification. Live in Fort Lauderdale, Carrie Codd, CBS 4 News Tonight.